Okay, so what goes along with moving and doing our painting and that type of stuff is also moving 15 people from one house to another house. And I'm trying to do it without everything getting lost in the crazy. So right now what we have done is we have taken the triple bunk. So in one of the rooms in the other house, it's gonna have the triple bunk in there. And in that room, I have some of the younger girls in there. So I'm gonna use their closet to host most of these clothing here. This clothing normally is just our going out outfits, but let's see, these ones are actually for our trip, as I mentioned before. So I'm going to go through these, see if there's anything that needs to be given away, and then the rest of that I'm just gonna take like that over to the house because we're just gonna lay it over the top of the stuff that we already have packed in the trip. So trying to sort through some things. These are Easter dresses for the girls. Remember, I picked these up before, so I'm just gonna put these pink pants with the dresses themselves, and those are gonna be for Easter dresses, and then those will get hung up at the other house after. But I'm gonna bring these dresses and some other things. Those shoes, these sandals, I bought ahead because they were on sale. Because I bought them off season, I bought them a size ahead. So I bought those for the kids. So they all have these for the summer. So all of this is going to go to the new. So here is the clothes that we're going to bring, and then we're going to bring these boxes here. This is Easter clothes, and then we're going through all these clothes over here. I already have 2 bags to give away. Starting with my oldest, going through that, went through these 2 totes. So currently I have a pile of dresses. These are like play dresses, a pile of pants, a pile of shirts. Those are giveaway. Some stuff for Azariah over there. A bunch of plain white shirts. Yeah, and then she's going through her stuff here, and I have some matching shirts over there. Okay, so got the bench here. The magnetics are here, so those are going to come with us today. He is rolling up this. We already moved the small couch, and we also moved the thing that goes right here, which we put, oh, somebody put my letter on the ground. I love how no comment. Life in a large family. Okay, so this has a bunch of stuff that was behind it. This shelf thing actually got put out in the vehicle.
Mom, there's something going to be under this.
Yeah, this shirt right here. So, gonna move that stuff today. I'm working on making Azariah some bottles and getting kids ready. I'm supposed to meet them there in an hour, and with the trailer it takes like 45 minutes because I move slow with the trailer. All right, already running behind. This is what we have for a load for today here, but I'm gonna be late. So kids working and sick and older kids, so I have been doing a lot of this with the 9 younger kids. You can see it's black up there. All right, so we're trying to see what we could see up here. So I was actually kept looking outside of the garage, and I was like, it has a pointy ceiling. I wonder if there's some attic storage up there that we could put like Christmas stuff up there and whatever. So I was like, I'm gonna look at this, and there was some. Okay guys, it is late afternoon. Kids just went outside again to play, and I'm gonna share with you where we are at right now. We got so much done. We're gonna be able to move stuff in here. We already have moved stuff in here. Not all the way clean at this moment, but we're getting there. Look how it opened it up just to, we stained it here. We have these lovely white cabinets, and then the red ones on the bottom. Yes, and then you probably remember this right here. This used to have my kids' schoolwork. I am going to use this, what it was made for, and that would be like a root cellar, and we'll share that later once we start getting in. So this is it so far. I ended up, we scrubbed that, but we're gonna be getting a new stove pretty soon for there. I'm not gonna go with electric. I really want to get a propane stove. I don't like cooking on electric. I've learned that about myself. So we have paint and food on top of the counter currently. We're gonna get this all organized soon. So here we have our new table, which is lovely. I will share that down, hopefully, in the description box if I remember that. I want to get a little thing here for the waterer, and then I want to get a little thing here for the other waterer. We're going to stack some chairs here. I think there's enough space. My lovely friend and my kids just cleaned this floor. I love this floor. Look how beautiful it is. It is so beautiful, all clean. I thought it actually, honestly thought that it had yellow on it, like a yellow undertone, but it really doesn't. It was from all the cigarette smoke. That's so disgusting, but it is gorgeous. I love this floor. I like ceramic anyway, so I really like it. It's going to be beautiful once it's cleaned up, and the light that comes in here is just gorgeous. I feel like the colors just lightened this whole thing up. We need to get we lost a couple screws, so we have the door for this. We just haven't, don't know where the screws are as of yet. So yes, I'll take you downstairs in a minute. We have a bunch of ladies in here having a party. So we have had so many helpers. So I'm so thankful. This is our sweet friend. She's been helping every day. She is awesome. She's so good with the kids. We love her to death. So the baby is sleeping. And so we have the 2 couches that we got. Remember, we got those for free on Facebook Marketplace, and I couldn't fit this couch into the house. Well, we found it. We got that into this house. And then this is the recliner that I put in my bedroom to rock Azariah in. We brought it here. We have this white bench here, which has magnetics, and then somebody from YouTube sent these to our kids. They are a bunch of, what are they, little people's type people, so those are in there as well. And then we have our shelf here with games and toys. The games will probably be going downstairs, but we haven't set that up yet, so we're just leaving this here for now. And I put this by an electrical outlet because I want to put our tablets in there. Our television will probably go up here. It smells awesome in here, guys. It does not smell at all in here. So this has all been redone here. We have the beautiful creamy color. It's called like white linen, was it? Yeah. White linen, yeah. So it's a nice off-white color. We got it at Home Depot, and it seems so far to be pretty washable. This is going to be the coat closet, so I put the basket here for the kids to start throwing their shoes in there and learn how to use that. In here, turn the light on. Yeah, it's a bathroom. A lady the other day, one of our friends, she cleaned out she made this tub shine. That is just a towel to wipe your hands with. I need to get a thing to hang towels on. Haven't done that yet. Over here, triple bunk, 3 people. We brought the shelf. Actually, my son and daughter brought this today. So this is a shelf for the kids' things. We need to anchor this to the wall. So you can see right here we have a thing to anchor it to the wall, but we're going to switch that over to the other side. My son, who is 29, built this when he was like 14, and it is so sturdy. I love that thing. We have clothing in here, this in here. I bought these, but we're not going to use these until we get back from our trip, and I'll share that organization with you guys once we get back. Let's go in here. Guys, it's only been 12 days. 12 days. Linen closet. Haven't brought any of that stuff here. We got one of the boxes last night for the bunk beds, but the other one did not come. I found some baseboard scraps, and we are going to attach those there. We also need to put the blinds up here, This is my daughter's closet here. Ta-da! All right, let's go over here. This is my bedroom. Nothing's much changed in here, except my son put blinds up, so that's awesome. I remeasured for these blinds, and then, oh, we did the closet. I don't know if I shared that with you. So I have the closet rod and then 2 shelves up there. We did that the other day. Now let's go in the basement. So 12 days and we got a lot done. I'm gonna put my shoes on because it is cement on the basement. So the goal was to get the house done enough that we could move in upstairs and that my girls could that people could bring their beds. And then when we get back from our trip, then, I know, mad dash. When we get back from our trip, then we will be organizing things in. So we'll be organizing and redoing more things in the basement once we get back, but we just wanted to make some livable spaces, and I think we've accomplished that. So we can move a lot of this stuff in now upstairs. It's gorgeous. Okay, so show you what I have. So as you come in downstairs, they're coming through the bulkhead. They're playing round and around, hide and seek. So as you come in from upstairs, you're greeted in this area. Our washer and dryer will be going there. And the kids, this has the kids' bin area here. So all the younger kids' clothes will be like right here in their bins. This is just going to be an extra room right here. This is going to have canning shelves in it on both of these sides eventually. This is going to be a closet just for hanging stuff in for the girls' room, which is in here. So for right now, they're leaving it this color. We have lights. We're going to be installing a light there. We set up 1 bunk bed. So this room will have 4 girls. So this will have a double bunk here. We're gonna put a dresser here and then a bed here. And then I'll bring you over here. We will have a bed here and a taller dresser here. And then another dresser here. So the 2 girls will share a wide dresser that has, I think, 4 drawers on each. And then the 2 other girls will have a dresser. The other girl likes clothes, so I think that she needs her own dresser. And then this is their closet here. So down here, and then this is the living room here. We need to obviously redo the whole wood. Still have a lot to do here, but the cigarette smell is gone. The animal smell is gone. We have had this house all primed. We did a lot of painting throughout this house. You can see the colors of the walls are totally different. So we're at a place, we are going to be going on vacation. So we need to focus on getting moved out of our other house, getting situated here. Then I need to go up north for a couple days, and then we need to go on vacation. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get it all done. But I feel like upstairs is pretty well done for it is right now. I wanted to redo the kitchen at some point. I'd love to redo the kitchen, but I can live with that kitchen, guys. I really can. I can live with that kitchen now. I feel like I can make that kitchen work. Yes. I'm so thankful. The lady who was in the living room, she has helped me just like think through the kitchen. She's like, we'll just paint it. We'll make it better. It'll be good. So I'm very thankful for that because I was just like, oh, so discouraged by that kitchen. Anyway, I think it looks cute. So I'm going to show you the boys' room. Okay, this has a lot of work that needs to happen. So they did paint, I can't even see. They did paint this side here and in the closet here. So that's all painted. That's for their bunk beds just to be able to go over there. This other part of the room needs some work. So this filter system here, actually, that's in the closet, whatever area, this filter system needs to be redone, and because of that, it's leaking some. So my husband needs to take care of that. Hopefully on his day off, he'll be able to do that. And then the sub pump, and then he'll drill a hole through that wall so there won't be, and then there'll be a door here, so it will look a lot better. And then at that point, we'll redo this area here, but it's silly to redo this if the other things aren't fixed as of yet. So we need to work on that, and that's what we're going to be working on when we come back from our trip. We're at a place where we feel comfortable. We have enough that we can go ahead and start moving stuff in, and I actually read through a bunch of comments today, and it's discouraging when people are like, oh my goodness, I can't believe you move into a dump like that. Anyway, I love it, whether you like it or not. No, I'm only joking. Like, I do appreciate all your thoughts and prayers through it all, but we are totally okay with doing things little by little and making it work along each step of the way for our family. And I just feel like each of the rooms upstairs are coming along beautifully. My kids are running around outside and playing. And that is the beauty of living here, right? It's like, that's why we're here. They're out there playing. They're not, they're not trapped in a little box, which we felt like they were before. So just for that alone, it's worth it. And yeah, sometimes it's hard when you guys are really negative about things, but I appreciate all the, especially such hopeful comments from some people. I mean, I know I am a visionary, so I know it stunk. It didn't look good. It was just really messy. I can even see like the downstairs here. I can see different things, and it's like, but normal people in the normal world in a normal budget, do things little by little and work through things and make it work. And that's what we're doing here. We are making a beautiful home for our family this way. We have 3 bedrooms upstairs, and then it will be the 2 bedrooms downstairs for the total of 5 bedrooms and 1.5 baths. Who knows if that will change along this whole journey, but that's where we're at for right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour for now, and have a blessed day.